Quick test with the mic picking up the ampeg B50R room tone. Voiceover. So this is the Squier 40th anniversary P bass. I forget what they call that color. It's somewhere between a salmon pink and a fiesta red. It's not nitro. I think it's poly, but it's very, very muted, satin, smooth. Dream neck, plays fantastic. I've said it before, I've played custom shop Fenders that aren't as nice as some of these Squiers. This might be their best model ever. It does have the vintage tall frets, which I normally don't like, but on this bass, but I'm getting very used to them. Not sure if I'm gonna have them swapped out or not. Might just have them taken down a peg or two. And a shout out to my Marine brothers. Happy 250th anniversary, Marines. Anyway, let me know how this sounds. Seizures later.